And here's what we'll be building today: Bourbon Barrel Stave Bottle Openers, complete with cap-catching magnets. Hello there, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Try New Things, where today we're doing what's probably going to be one of the more simple woodworking projects we've done to date. And we've done a fair amount of simple woodworking projects. So my daughter's got a Christmas party coming up at work, and she wanted a gift that would be an appropriate gift, simple gift for a man. So I've got these bourbon barrel staves left over, and on Amazon I picked up a batch of these bottle openers, a whole pile of them over there. So what I thought I should do is make some bourbon barrel stave bottle openers, hopefully with magnets to catch the caps. So that's what we'll be working on today, some more simple bourbon barrel stave craft projects. In particular, first time ever making bottle openers. So my first step is to try and figure out what would be a good size for a bottle opener. I'm thinking about the length of this ruler, which is 6 inches. That'll give me room for my bottle opener at the top, my catch magnet at the bottom, and then we'll sand this all down, stain it, clear coat it. We're actually going to put magnets on the back as well, so you can mount this to a fridge or a post, that kind of thing. So let's go ahead and cut up some 6-inch blanks, and we will put on the bottle opener top and figure out where it is we're going to put our magnets. So we've used our Forstner bits to make these little indentations on the back of each one of these. And they're to receive these magnets. So we're going to glue these magnets in on the back. And the idea is then this will stick to a fridge or any metal surface. Now on the front, we've got to use a 1-inch Forstner bit to insert. I picked up some black magnets. So I'm going to insert one magnet on the front, and that is going to be hopefully the cap catcher. So again, up here will be the bottle opener, down here will be the cap catcher, magnets on the back to mount it to a fridge. We're going to have to, once that hole's drilled, we're going to have to do final sanding, stain, and clear coat before we put all this stuff back on. Again, that's going to be the cap catcher magnet. And we're using a 1-inch Forstner. There. So you can see where the cap catcher magnet goes. Bottle opener. This one's ready for sand and stain. So we've sanded everything down to 320, and my favorite stain for bourbon barrel stuff is good old golden oak. So that's what we're going to be using again today on our bottle openers. We're going to put on a nice generous amount, then we'll come back and wipe off any excess. There you can see the difference between the two. Let's get the other one stained up, and then we can move on to clear coat. All right, with our clear coat dry, it is now time to put on the magnets. And once that's cured enough, we'll flip them over and put the back magnets on, and then lastly, put on our bottle openers. And now to put the back magnets on. A little messy. I'll wipe up the glue that squeezed out here in a second. Now the bottle openers and the magnets I picked up on Amazon. I'll put links in the description below in case you're interested. You'll be able to find them. You may not end up going with these ones, but at least it'll get you started looking in the right place. So we just got done putting on our bottle openers. Once these finish drying completely or curing completely, I'll take them home, take a couple more shots, and show you how they turn out at the end of the video. Now I'm going to be completely honest with the link I'm going to leave in the description for the bottle opener. The bottle openers are great, but the screws that came with them, one, I broke the head off one, and B, the head is so small that you can just pull the bottle opener off. So I had to use other screws I had laying around the garage here. So keep that in mind if you're going to order these particular bottle top openers, or I would look for another set. Following the link that I give you, it'll give you lots of options to choose from below that. So if you have any questions or comments about the bottle opener or anything at all, leave them below. I'd love to read them. Do me a very big favor if you haven't already and hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed, why not? It's free. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. So now we're going to take a quick break to thank this week's sponsor. And this week's sponsor, like every week's sponsor, is me, Chris Gladstone with TNT Try New Things, where I have started a new website link, partnering with Buy Me a Coffee as an opportunity for you to check out some of the items I have for sale that you have probably watched the videos on me making. It's also an opportunity to sponsor the channel directly, either through buying me a coffee, or, if you're feeling particularly generous, signing up for an annual membership. With that, I'm going to go back to the video.